Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm stopping in from my studio to talk to you about a brand new quilt pattern I've just released, my Gelato Remix quilt. And the Gelato Remix quilt is a smaller version of a large medallion quilt that I did last year, Gelato. I love that quilt, but it did take a lot of work, and I thought it would be really fun to do somewhat of a smaller version based on the same center, but a little bit different also. And this is a quick project that you can use for a wall hanging or a table topper. And let me share just a few more things about it with you. I just want to show you a few more details about this quilt. It really is confident beginner friendly. The body of the quilt is made up of mostly squares and half square triangles, and I do have a video you can watch to make sure that you get the half square triangles perfectly sized. There's an inner border and then a middle border and then another border, and then basically you're making flying geese blocks and star units. And I also have video tutorials on both of these. So I feel like even if you're a beginner, this is a project that you could do. It goes together pretty quickly, and it's great for when you want a quick finish, something to hang on your wall, something to put on your table. It's just been a lot of fun to make this quilt. The fabrics in the Gelato Remix quilt are from the Balboa collection that will be in shops in September 2020. And this is a really fun collection with corals, orchids, grays, light grays, aqua, and blue, and some really fun light prints as well. And the new patterns are full color with step-by-step illustrations that will make it really easy for you to follow along, even if you've never made something maybe as complex as this before. I hope you enjoyed hearing just a little bit more about my Gelato Remix quilt. The patterns are available now in my Etsy shop in both paper and PDF format, so you can find them there. And I hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.